Hey guys, and welcome back to App Tutorial. In this video, we're gonna look at how to add your relation type on Tinder. Now let's begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. This right here is the interface of Tinder, and right now what we want to do is simply add our preferred relation type. To do that, what we need to do is simply go to Edit Profile. Initially, let's simply click on this button right here on the top left. That's your profile. It includes your profile picture along with your name. I'm simply going to click on it. Then this page will open up. Right here on the main screen, you will see this Edit Info section. This right here is your profile, do you note that? But right now we just want to edit the details. I'm just going to click on this Edit Info button right here. And this will open up. Well, as you can see, there's passions, pronouns, heights, and finally, the thing we're looking for, relationship type. As you can see, there's a button below this that says Open To. I'm just gonna click on this button right here, and this will pop up. Well, there are these few options: monogamy, ethical, non-monogamy. The choice is up to you. Select whichever one you wish. I'm simply gonna select one. Do note that you have the option to select about 3 relationship type. Once everything's okay, simply hit Undone. Finally, what you need to do is click on the Save button right here. And guys, that's it. That's how you add your relationship type on Tinder. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.